Sergei Viktorovich Lavrov is a Russian diplomat and politician. In office since 2004. He is the Foreign Minister of Russia. Previously, he was the Russian representative to the UN, serving in the role from 1994 to 2004. Lavrov was born on the 21st of March 1950 in Moscow, to an Armenian father and a Russian mother from Georgia. His mother worked in the Soviet Ministry for Foreign Trade. Lavrov graduated from high school with a silver medal. Since his favorite class was physics, he planned to enter either the National Research Nuclear University or the Moscow Institute of Physics and Technology, but he entered the Moscow State Institute of International Relations and graduated in 1972. During his education at the MGIMO, Lavrov studied international relations. Soon he learned Sinhalese, then the only official language of Sri Lanka, as well as Divahi, the official language of the Maldives. Moreover, Lavrov learned English and French, but has stated that he is unable to speak the French language fluently. After he was admitted to the university, Lavrov, along with other students, was sent for a month to build the Ostankino Tower. During his summer vacations, Lavrov also worked in Khakassia, Tuva and the Russian Far East. Each semester, Lavrov with his fellow students conducted drama performances, which were later presented on the main stage of the university. During the third year of his studies, Lavrov married. Lavrov graduated in 1972. According to the rules of that time, a graduate of the Moscow State Institute of International Relations had to work for the foreign ministry for a certain amount of time. Lavrov was employed in the Soviet embassy in Sri Lanka as an advisor, as he was already a specialist on the country. At the time, the Soviet Union and Sri Lanka had close market and economic cooperation, and the Soviet Union launched the production of natural rubber in the country. The Soviet embassy in Sri Lanka also maintained relations with the Maldives. The embassy in Sri Lanka employed only 24 diplomats. Lavrov was given the task of continuously analyzing the situation in the country. But he also worked as a translator, personal secretary and assistant to Rafiq Nishtanov, who would later become the 12th First Secretary of the Communist Party of Uzbek SSR. In addition, he gained the diplomatic rank of an attaché. In 1976, Lavrov returned to Moscow. He worked as a third and second secretary in the section for the international economic relations of the USSR. There, he was involved in analytics, and his office also worked with various international organizations, including the United Nations. In 1981, he was sent as a senior advisor to the Soviet mission at the United Nations in New York City. In 1988, Lavrov returned to Moscow and was named deputy chief of the section of the International Economic Relations of the USSR. Between 1990 and 1992, he worked as director of the International Organization of the Soviet Foreign Ministry. In October 1990, Andrei Kozyrev, who led the control of the international organizations at the time, was named Foreign Minister of the Russian SFSR in that year. The powers of the Soviet Foreign Ministry and the Foreign Ministry of the Russian Soviet Federative Socialist Republic were distributed. Until then, the Russian SFSR had only a ceremonial role. In October 1991, the foreign ministers of all Soviet republics, except Georgia and the Baltic states, held a meeting where they dealt with the Union of Foreign Ministries. In November 1990, the State Council decided to change its name from the Union of Foreign Ministries to the Foreign Ministry of the Soviet Union, and in December that year, the Foreign Ministry of Soviet Russia became the Foreign Ministry of the Russian Federation. In 1992, Lavrov was named Director of the Department for International Organizations and Global Issues in the Foreign Ministry of the Russian Federation. In April 1991, he was named Deputy Foreign Minister. Lavrov was asked to oversee the activities of the Human Rights and International Cultural Cooperation and the two departments, for the CIS countries, International Organizations and International Economic Cooperation. Lavrov worked for the Ministry of Foreign Affairs until 1994, when he returned to work in the United Nations. this time as the permanent representative of Russia. While in the latter position, he was the president of the United Nations Security Council in December 1995, June 1997, July 1998, October 1999, December 2000, April 2002, and June 2003. On the 9th of March 2004, President Vladimir Putin appointed Lavrov to the post of Minister of Foreign Affairs. He succeeded Igor Ivanov in the post on the 21st of May 2012. Lavrov was reappointed foreign minister to the cabinet led by Prime Minister Dmitry Medvedev. Lavrov is regarded as continuing in the style of his predecessor, a brilliant diplomat but a civil servant rather than a politician. A Russian foreign policy expert at London's pro-Western Chatham House has